Turn on the printer and ensure it's in a ready state. On the printer's control panel, press the wireless button, the one with the Wi-Fi icon. Navigate to Settings, Wireless Setup Wizard. The printer will search for available Wi-Fi networks. From the list of detected networks, select your Wi-Fi network, SSID. If your network doesn't appear, ensure the router is broadcasting the 2.4 GHz band. You may need to log into your router settings and rename or enable the 2.4 GHz band if it shares the same SSID as the 5 GHz band. Use the printer's control panel to enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Confirm the password to connect. Once connected, the wireless light on the printer should be steady, indicating a successful connection. Ensure your smartphone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Canon Print app. Open App Store. On your smartphone, go to the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Canon Print, type Canon PRINT Inkjet SELPHY in the search bar. Install the app, download and install the app on your smartphone. Open Canon Print app, launch the app once it has been installed. Add printer, tap on the plus icon or select Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app should automatically search for printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your Canon Pixma G3020 from the list.